video, I'm going to use the Quick Select tool to select this bird's head and remove it from the background so that I can paste it on a different background. So when you click on the Quick Select tool, I'm going to choose that. It gives me these options at the top. I'm going to put it on plus because I want to add to a selection, and my brush is going to be set at 30 and the hardness is 100. Okay, so just drag the Quick Select tool over the top of the bird. The computer does a pretty good job of selecting this bird head out because the background is blurry and the subject is very crisp, so it's easy for the computer to see the edge. So it works very well for this case. So I have it selected, but I want to show you what would happen if you made a mistake. Let's say that you clicked over here and you got that little area there that you didn't want. If you go up here to the minus, you can click back on the minus and put it back so that it's not selected there. Zoom in with Control plus and just try to get that top area a little bit better. Alright, so that's a pretty good selection. So yeah, I just wanted you to know that if you make a mistake and you click over here and you get something you don't want, just go to the minus and you can take that back away. So you can go back and forth as needed. Alright, so now that it's selected, we just want to copy it. So go to Edit, Copy, and then go over here to the background we're going to paste it on and go Edit, Paste. And now to move it, you can just take the Move tool right here and you can just drag the eagle's head down to the very bottom like that.